welcome back. Previously we talked about zero if condition. Today we're talking about first if condition. Let's start. Okay, let's take this example. If you help your mom, if you help your mom, I will take you to the zoo. Alright, so in this case, as we notice guys, here we used if you help your mother. What is this tense? It is what? Simple present. Okay, so the second clause or the second sentence, I will take you, which is will clause or future clause. Alright, so this is the rule for first if condition. We use this one for future facts. Okay, so if you do this one, I will do that one. Let's talk again about the word condition. Condition means agreement. You do this, I will do this. Alright, so like if number one is not here, number two will not be here. Okay, so this is the agreement or condition. Great. Okay, now let's highlight that if you start with the if, alright, then you must here use a comma. Okay, but if you put if in the middle, no comma. Example, I will miss the train if I don't hurry up. Okay, so here I have the future, here I have the simple present. Great, but the only difference here is that I use the F in the middle, so no comma. You get it? Very good. Now we still have 1 point in this example. If you see my brother, we have comma. Why? Because we started with F. Alright? So please inform me immediately. What is this, guys, in English? Inform me. Tell me. Stand up. Sit down. Call me. Go back, come here. All right, what we call this in English? We call it imperative. Very good, imperative. So we can replace the will clause or future clause with the imperative. All right, that's all about first if condition. And of course, if you want to make a question, no problem. You can say if. For example, if I help my mother, will you? Alright? So I will say, will you? So this is the question. Will you take me to the zoo? Then you finish with a question mark. That's all about it. If you need or if you have any question about this, you can write it down in the comment. I'll be happy to answer it, guys. And if you need any lesson, please write it down, I'll explain it. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and support my channel, guys. Thank you. See you.